know say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video, and yes, it is another video where my son is killing me on these exercises. Okay, don't believe that because you have not been seeing these videos that I have not been working out. I've been dying. So welcome back, and here goes part 2.
Get your knees 90 degrees. You need 90-degree knees.
So?
Yes, all the way up, yes.
I did tell you that he's still being a hard ass on me. So this is the warm-up session, and we're currently doing, I think this is marching.
40 seconds. 4, 3, 2.
You want a biscuit?
Arm circles, 30 seconds forwards. 3, 2, 1.
Drive my man, love your bad, swear to God. Baby, you want love for life, my queen, my wife, my Barbie doll. Baby, lock up your bumper, go baby, bumper, go baby, bumper, go baby, bumper, lock up your bumper, bumper, bumper.
30 seconds backwards. 3, 2, 1.
Bumper, lock up your bumper, bumper, bumper. Baby, you see till at the building, them a gonna do down your feet. Up with the pipe, when see the come and lock up your bumper, sit down for it. You see till at the building, them a gonna do down your feet. Up with the pipe, when see the come and.
Now we have hip circles for 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go.
Guys, I don't know if I'm getting old or whatever the case may be, but every time I made this hip circle, there was a sound. There was a sound like something was about to pop. Okay, I know the age is coming on, but listen to me. That sound was crazy.
Jumping jacks for 1 minute. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Your jumping jacks look good. And it looks like I didn't have to tell you anything about that. I'm an expert.
Guys, you hear me talking about I'm an expert at doing these jumping jacks. When I tell you that I was extremely exhausted in a warm-up. This is the warm-up. This is not even the actual exercises, okay? And I was dying. Okay, I was dying. Put them.
That's bad. No way. 10 seconds, don't stop. Keep your form, 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Lord.
Next, you have torso twist for 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, no order.
No?
No order. You go first. You're just breathing heavy. That's why you need the water. Your breathing gonna slow down once you start moving. So no order. You don't need order. You need to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth.
So we're now on to the actual workout, and at this point I'm already tired because the warm-up that we did, you couldn't tell me that I was not already exercising. Okay, I am tired. Anywho, this is supposed to be glute bridges, and per the instructions we're supposed to be doing 3 sets of 15, but I already told you from the last time my son was not having his TJ. This was too easy for his mommy, so instead we're still doing that burnout thing that he has going on, and it's burning down from 25. So how that works is that we're basically doing 5 sets, but we're starting from 25, working our way down to 20, down to 15, 10, and then 5. So instead of doing 3 sets of 15, I'm basically doing 5 sets counting down. Yeah, so no rest for the wicked. So here we go. Oh, and if you're new over here, my name is Keneisha. Welcome to the channel. Please don't leave without subscribing, like the video, comment on the comment section, and tell your friends and family to come over and join the family. And if you're coming back, welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you for the continued support. I appreciate you. Let's do this exercise.
You only got 10 and 5. 10 and then 5.
Oh my god.
10 and then 5. Good job, man. Got 5 more. 5. 5. You let me do the 5 right now. You're crying, you can start the 5 right. Start the 5. Just finish.
2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. Oh, my back here, my back.
Open mine.
We can't even.
Yep. Change the water.
You don't need no water. You need
Oh god. Oh. I can't get up. I can't get up.
You know how it works, right? How your muscles get stronger. So boom. You work out one day, the next day your muscles heal, and then you relax because you don't do anything.
Yeah, but me not thought money is so easy.
I don't know. Are you eating right? Are you eating right?
Yes.
You're not eating right, then your muscles will be tired. So you gotta eat fruit, water. You got donkey kicks. Start at 15.
My feelings, the banks a girl. I like how we a live. Fighting for it. Style go for it. My dog them a feelings. My dog them a feelings.
Everybody up. Yeah, give them a update.
What you have?
We're done.
Yo, you did that quick.
15 to 5.
Yep. Alright, boom. Now we got standing back. Oh, we don't have side kicks, we have back kicks.
Girl, let us spin and a spit out shot. It a race and a flick out like a train road plot. Hosanna.
She little and mad, kid and mad. She say she come from little London. She in the belly, them mama grandson.
Slew them up, bare feelings them a carry. Them done bow already and them can't say them sorry, yeah.
Enough for them while you're dead and gone. But if where you go, you hold your head and gone. You know me happy see me one band. So when them see me pan it up, you know me one gone. Goodbye to me.
Man a straight and clean, bossa blanc. You no turn like a meal, bossa blanc. You no live in a this stream, bossa blanc. Push from a gal, turn up the scheme, bossa blanc. You no beg boy things, bossa.
Bounce a gal hot like a yo gal. Bounce a gal can't talk to yo gal. Bounce a gal cause everything brand new gal. Bounce a gal cause you know we people show gal. Bounce a gal.
Next set wall push-ups, 2 sets of 10. Let's start at 15.
Start convincing. Listen, come here, make you just fly like genius. She said
She me to become 20.
Alright, go 15.
12.
Inna the light, happy nice like the door. Set you for your knee, for your knee.
Oh shit.
No, you could have won. So you just move out. Cause you did that last one perfectly fine. You didn't even. You could do 5 more.
I think we did 2 more.
Do 5 more. Do 5 more.
5 more done?
No, 5 more. Then you have your next set. But I didn't give you a break. Because you definitely can do 5 more. You just didn't want to do it. Or didn't believe you can. Look, you're still not struggling. You're still not struggling. You're still not struggling. You're still not struggling. You have 1 more. After this one, you start struggling.
Do you hear this guy? Do you hear him? I was in so much pain and he's telling me that I can do more. I told you he was cruel.
You're arching yourself, nothing straight. Back and butt. How much is that?
12.
12? You got more to do. You can take a break, though. You can take a break. I'll give you 10 seconds. If you don't take care of your body not going to take care of you. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We pretty finish, she never meet the cue.
And that TJ, what kind of them?
Yes, I think you can. You're 10 under 10 seconds. Under 10 seconds. These are all after this is all the arm workouts you have.
More arm?
No, this is all the arm workouts.
Oh! I've never come.
Everybody turn up, select them. Rule the detention. NC on a party, we are done so. Take up and pass again. And me money attack to get a bunch up. Mommy tell me a secret, say she lunch. Feel me body, can't see me that. After we touch one time, she can't see me back.
Not me motivating myself to get this baby crunches. Oh my god, this was crazy. I was dying. People, help me.
Rub your body to the bar, select one, two rule.
I have made it once again, guys. I'm not dead. I survived. He tried, but I made it. I survived. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have reached this part of the video, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like the video, comment on the comment section, and share. And until later, guys, bye.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.